Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, in Ielts writing we have 4 criterias, and one of those criterias, the third criteria, is lexical resource. That's what we call vocabulary. In this video I'm going to tell you what is lexical resource and what should be the standard of your vocabulary in your writing in order to achieve band score 7, 8 or even 9. We call this thing the band descriptors, and lexical resource means the variety of words that you use in your essay, in your task 1 and in your speaking. Now let's go on by band 9. For 9 band, the definition of lexical resource is that the candidate uses a wide range of vocabulary. Whenever they use the word wide range of vocabulary, it means synonyms which are related to that topic. It means a variety of words on that very topic. So that's what they mean when they say wide range of vocabulary with a very natural, sophisticated control of lexical features. You should know the function of word, which word is appropriate. That's what we say, natural, sophisticated control. That you have the control where to use what words. It means you should have very good, there's another thing we call it, this idea will come to my mind within few seconds, a list of words that come together. So you should use those words like an important decision and all that, okay. So this is the definition of 9 band, means uses a wide range of vocabulary with very natural, sophisticated control of lexical features. Lexical features means the function of the word. You use the words appropriately as per the situation. Like once one of my students, I was teaching spoken English that time, and she said, I said something strictly in the class, and that student said, "Sir, you are very hard." Now hard means sakht, but that sakht has a different meaning. So she said, "Sir, you are very hard." She wanted to say, "Sir, you are very strict," but she said, "Sir, you are very hard." Now over here, what she did not have the natural, sophisticated control of lexical features. I hope you understand from this example. So this is 9 band for vocabulary. For band score 8, the definition is uses a wide range of vocabulary fluently and flexibly to convey precise meaning. Flexibly means you've got flexibility, one word or the other, you use them. Next, skillfully uses uncommon lexical items. Now what are the uncommon lexical items? Students often misunderstand this. Uncommon does not mean the flowery words, the technical words, academic words, difficult words. Uncommon word means the words which are beyond the common list of words, like is, am, are, table, chair, blah blah blah. So uncommon means, for example, if everybody is saying the word I want to tell you, uncommon can be I would like to share a couple of things with you. So I would like to share is uncommon because everybody says I want to tell you. Understand? So this is what they mean by uses uncommon lexical items, but there may be occasional inaccuracies. For band 8 also, there is room for mistakes, inaccuracy in word choice and collocation. That was the word I was not getting. Collocation. A group of words that come together. An important decision. An important decision. This is what we call collocation. I shared a book of collocations with you. This collocation will help you with your Ielts writing as well as your Ielts speaking. Produces rare errors in spelling, that is for writing, and word formation. When you make the word formation, there are few errors. This is the definition of band 8 vocabulary. Now band 7, if you're looking for 7 band and you want to know what should be the range of my vocabulary, very simple, uses a sufficient range. For band 7, they do not expect you to use hi-fi vocabulary or wide range of vocabulary. The word used is sufficient range of vocabulary to allow some flexibility and precision. Attempts to use less common vocabulary. Attempts means he tries to use less common vocabulary with some awareness of style and collocations. This candidate has awareness, but a little or some awareness of the style. Style is the manner in which the word is used. And collocations, collocation means the group of words that come together, and collocations are made by native speakers of English. May produce occasional errors. That is the definition of band score 7. So in 7 band also you don't need a very hi-fi speaking and a very hi-fi writing. Band score 6 uses an adequate range of vocabulary for the task. Adequate. There they use the word for band 7, sufficient. So if you are stuck with band score 6 and you need band score 7, so if you're getting band score 6, it means you use an adequate range of vocabulary. You have to change it into a sufficient range of vocabulary with flexibility that for one word you can use another word, and precision that you know this word can be fixed here, like sir you are very hard. Instead of that it could be sir you are very strict, okay, something like that, right? And then for band score 6 they say attempts to use less common vocabulary but with some inaccuracies. So some inaccuracies are there. And last, make some errors in spelling. Now spelling errors are expected in band score 6, and by the way you might have seen in band score 7 they did not write anything about spelling. So it means if you have 4-5 spelling mistakes, your band score will be dropped to 6. Very important point. In lexical resource, I'm only talking about lexical resource, I'm not talking about other 3 criterias. So make some errors in spelling but they do not impede communication. Means errors are just like very minor errors, the error of a vowel or any other error like that. So this is the definition of lexical resource. If you are at band score 6 and you want band score 7, I will give you the descriptor of grammatical range, I'll give you the descriptor of coherence and cohesion and task response as well. That's all guys, thank you very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given, you can contact me for that. From the heart of Kashmir, Jagran Valley, this is actually I'm making this video from here for you. This is Kutan Colony, a beautiful resort where I'm staying and making these videos for you. If you like this beautiful landscape, you must comment and tell me about it. Thank you very much guys. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.